Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cake jewelry box. Let's start by gathering our essential materials. You'll need 2 sturdy cake boards, one measuring 6 inches and another 8 inches in diameter. Also, grab some foam core and a sharp craft knife. We'll begin by cutting a foam core strip, which should be 2 inches wide and approximately 25 inches long. This piece will form the side of our beautiful, edible-looking box. Now, let's assemble the main structure. Take your 2-inch wide foam core strip and carefully attach it around the edge of the 8-inch cake board using hot glue. This forms the base and sides of your box. Next, position the 6-inch cake board on top of the foam core, securing it with more hot glue to create the lid. It's important to ensure all edges align perfectly for a sturdy and professional-looking jewelry box. This is where the fun begins, decorating. Cover your entire box, including the lid, with a smooth layer of fondant or modeling chocolate. This gives it that realistic cake appearance. Once covered, unleash your creativity with edible paints or dusts to add intricate designs and vibrant colors. For a truly luxurious touch, attach edible pearls, delicate flowers, or other charming embellishments. Imagine a beautiful rose or a string of tiny edible beads adorning your creation. To complete your masterpiece, allow all the edible decorations to dry completely. This usually takes several hours, ensuring everything is firm and set. For a functional touch, you can place a small decorative cushion or a piece of soft fabric inside the box to hold jewelry securely. Finally, present your unique cake jewelry box. It makes a wonderful, personalized gift or a stunning, conversation-starting display piece in your home. Enjoy your beautiful creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.